Hi everyone. Today on Billionaire Dream Car, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Creta Turbo, a compact SUV that's turning heads with bold style and powerful performance. Under the hood, it packs a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine pushing out 160 PS and 253 Nm of torque, paired with a 7-speed DCT that delivers smooth and responsive shifts. The design has taken a sportier turn with a sharper front grille, aggressive LED DRLs, and stylish 17-inch alloys. Inside, it's all about premium feel, a dual-screen setup for infotainment and driver display, ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a Bose sound system elevate the driving experience. But it's not just about looks and comfort. Hyundai has packed it with Safety Tech 2.6 airbags, ADAS Level 2 features like lane keep assist and forward collision warning, plus a 360-degree camera. For those who crave performance with everyday practicality, the 2025 Creta Turbo hits the sweet spot. Whether you're cruising city streets or hitting the highway, this SUV delivers. Let us know in the comments, would you pick the Creta Turbo over its rivals? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dream car content.